Hi, Victor. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm doing good. Who's your friend?
That's Bill. We went to school together. Bill, this is Shari. Hi, nice to meet you, Shari.
Hi. Nice to meet you, too.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you. You're not that handsome. But you look okay.
Wow, thanks. Shari. Is my aunt here?
No, she isn't. She should be in around 10. Here's the menus.
Thank you.
Can I get you anything to drink?
I have coffee, please.
Okay, would you like sugar and milk?
I like my coffee black.
Okay, one black coffee.
I have fresh squeezed orange juice, please.
We don't have any orange juice. I'll be right back.
Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.